Hey everyone, Dan here. Before you get into it, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And keep in mind that these are my own thoughts, opinions, and ideas. These are not meant to be, nor should you take them as investment or trading advice in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence, put in the work for yourself, and make your decisions based on that. Enjoy. All right, folks, here we are on Friday, January 26th. We're going to take a look at coin today. So as you see here, Oppenheimer upgraded Coinbase this morning to outperform, maintains price target to 160. So 160, quite a solid jump from where we are now. So as that news is hitting, we do see Coinbase jumping up a little bit. Nothing sort of putting it in the 160 range yet, but a couple of interesting things here. One is, obviously on the big jump, it's leaving a gap down here from about like high 122s that would gap down to about 120.50 or so, 120.60, and so something to keep an eye on if it does start to retreat during the day for any particular reason. May not even play any factor at all, of course. Now we do have this nice uptick. It came off of this floor that it built in the 69s and then ran up to 187. So certainly through that 160 price target, has since retraced down to 126 or so right now in the pre-market. So, if we scroll back left here, a couple of things that jump out to me. One is, if it does come down for any reason, it did a good job catching resistance here on a previous run, right? This run up here. And so there may be very strong support, just behind 110, if you will. I don't know that it'll need to come all the way down there. It's trying to build in a little bit of floor at the moment. I would say maybe the wick of this candle, there's not a ton to go off of here. Even if we scroll left, right, it's just sort of passing through these ranges, so sort of leaves us a little bit thin as of late. But if we put in a level there around, say, 118.30, that could come into play. Now, if it does get jumpy, let's see where I want to situate this. Right around here, 136.68 or so seems like a level where it could certainly catch some resistance. And then it has, as of late, been catching some resistance around 127.63. So that might be nearest in by the time market opens. We'll have to see. This level here looks pretty strong to me, at least for this swing. So not a ton of historical, price action that I'm going off of, but just in this most recent swing here, this like 147 approach gets a little sticky, and then certainly you see all the topping out here if it does continue to climb near 160, so right around that price target level. So we'll see if that continues to take shape or not, but those are the levels that I'm going to be watching. Now in the Thinkorswim study, we do see in that run up to 187, it was out of the upper bound of the channel for quite some time, and it did what we always look for it to do, was it drew into the mid-range, tested the mid-range of the channel, lost support, and now it's just been hugging the lower bound of the channel. So could this be the lift that it needs to get itself out from off of the bottom bound of the channel, and maybe at least engaging again with the mid-range of the channel, which as of close yesterday was situated around 137. The channel here is obviously dynamic, and so it changes as candles get put in, but I don't see anything, any new trigger and fire, right? There's a trigger and fire back here. That was an excellent call up by the TTM squeeze indicator. Right now, though, it's just showing bearish momentum continuing to pick up, maybe plateauing a little bit. We'll see as it's continuing to fire through that previous trigger. So nothing new sort of taking shape there. But you do look at this sort of meteoric climb through that 160 and then drawing back and hugging the lower bound of the channel might give it sort of an added bonus of, hey, we have a good catalyst and we have the bottom bound of the channel to push off of. So, maybe gives us some extra ability to try to make a push here and see if there's anything to this or not. But we'll see if this holds. Like I said, nothing tremendous happening at the moment, but it's an uptick and it's been drawing down lately. So we'll see if this can do anything for it. All right, folks, I hope that you have a good trading day. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.